Alright, you guys, so let's go ahead and get started here. Now we are on lesson 7.4, and this is part B, where we are introducing SOHCAHTOA. Now, before we introduce SOHCAHTOA here, I do want to go ahead and focus on the right triangle. Now, if you guys take a look at this here, this is a right triangle based on the 90-degree angle we have here. And whenever you're labeling the sides of a right triangle, you're going to have either a side that is opposite, one that is adjacent, and the other one that's the hypotenuse. Now, the one you guys are familiar with in this case is the hypotenuse, and that one here is known as the leg. So the leg basically of the triangle, and the other ones are known as the sides. Now, the hypotenuse, we do know that it is opposite to the 90-degree angle. And in this case, that's basically the most obvious one. The least obvious ones would obviously be the opposite and the adjacent. And whenever you're working with these right triangles, these sides will actually switch. So it all depends on what angle you're looking at that you could determine which one's your opposite and which one's your adjacent. So in this case, first off, the opposite side, or the side opposite to the given angle, is known as the opposite. So in this case, if we're given angle A, the side opposite to it would be known as the opposite side. So it's kind of like given to you, side opposite is the opposite. But once again, this is just based off the angle you're given. Now, next, we would have the side next to the opposite side. It would be known as the adjacent. So if I know that this is going to be my opposite side, then I know that the side next to it, or the side that's sharing the 90-degree angle, would be my adjacent. So then basically it's the side that is not opposite to the given angle. Okay, and the last one, obviously the hypotenuse. In this case, the longest side of the opposite the side opposite to the right angle is the hypotenuse, and we already knew this because we had introduced the hypotenuse on previous lessons. So once again, a 90-degree angle is opposite to the longest side, which is known as the hypotenuse here.